Welcome to Technoland Expart. Happy New Year 2026. This HTML file creates a full-screen animated, particle tree visualization using the HTML5 canvas and JavaScript, where thousands of tiny glowing particles smoothly move into the shape of a branching tree generated by a recursive algorithm. The document starts by defining a clean page layout with no margins or scroll bars and applies a dark green to black radial gradient background centered near the bottom of the screen to suggest a night or forest atmosphere, while a canvas element fills the entire viewport and resizes dynamically whenever the browser window changes size. In JavaScript, the canvas rendering context is initialized, and global width and height variables are updated on resize to ensure the animation always fits the screen. A fixed number of particles is defined, and each particle is represented by a particle class containing its current position, velocity, target position, and visual size. Particles begin at random positions across the screen and gradually move toward assigned targets using a simple physics-based approach where velocity is influenced by the distance to the target, damped by friction, and then applied to update position, producing smooth, organic motion rather than rigid snapping. Each particle is drawn as a small green circle, giving the impression of glowing leaves or energy points. The tree itself is not drawn directly, instead, its structure is calculated mathematically in the generateTree function, which uses recursion to simulate natural branching by drawing a trunk upward from the bottom center of the screen, then repeatedly creating smaller left and right branches at different angles and reduced lengths until a specified depth is reached. Along each branch, multiple evenly spaced points are generated and stored as target coordinates, effectively turning the tree's shape into a cloud of points. The createTreeTargets function clears and rebuilds this target list, starts the tree generation with appropriate position, length, angle, and depth values, shuffles the resulting points to randomize particle distribution, and assigns each particle a target location, looping targets if there are more particles than points. The animation loop continuously clears the canvas, updates every particle's movement toward its target, and redraws it, resulting in a living, shimmering tree form that gradually assembles itself from scattered particles and remains subtly in motion due to the easing physics. Overall, the code demonstrates responsive canvas rendering, object-oriented particle systems, recursive geometry for natural shapes, and smooth real-time animation to create an elegant, visually engaging particle-based tree entirely within the browser. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you will support my channel.